guys, it's Lacey Dancer 1998, and today we have some exciting news. We are all hosting an American Girl contest. Now the contest, the style is, or theme, whatever you would like to call it, it's going to be a Happy Thanksgiving thing, except it's November. Alright, so here are some of the rules. It must be only 2 minutes long. It must have AG dolls or any other dolls. And it must have animals or whatever. It has to be a Thanksgiving style. It can be lunch, dinner, breakfast, anytime. It can be inside or out. It does not matter. It can be a slideshow, or it can be a video. You take a choice. It does not matter. So yeah. Alright, so here are how we are going to judge it by. We are going to judge it by stars. You get 1 star means, it's okay. 2 means, oh, that was good. Or 3 was, wow, I really like this video. Or a slideshow. Whichever you do. So prizes. If you win first place, you get 1 subscribe. You get 6 comments on 6 different videos. And you get a choice of a background for me, and I will send it to you, and you can save as. Okay. Second place gets a subscribe, 2 comments, and a background. Third place gets 1 subscribe, 1 comment, and that's it. Fourth place gets 1 subscribe and gets a 1 subscribe, and that's it. So you've heard the prizes, you've heard the rules, you heard the theme, and you heard what we're doing. So I hope you enjoy. Have fun. Don't get upset, and don't get aggravated with it. Just have fun with this. This is going to be a great project for everyone. So I hope you enter. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.